Good day everyone, my name is Mark Anthony Sarbang. So ang topic natin ngayon ay about sa tatlong uri ng lobes. At ang tatlong uri ng lobes ay for lobes, while lobes, dual lobes. So ang uunahin natin ngayon ay itong for lobes. So ang for lobes ay for lobe starts with I equal 1 and continues running as long as I less than equal 10, increasing I by 1 each time. Inside the loop, it checks if I is an even number using divide 2 equal 0. If the number is even, it prints that value after the loop finish, counting from 1 to 10. The program prints loop ending to show that the loop is done. So, ang for loops guys is ito yung sagot. So, paano natin nakuha yung 2 is even, 4 is even, 6 is even, 8 is even, and 10 is even. So, paano natin nakuha? Guys, ito yung part ng code guys. Ito yung public class, ito yung nagsisilbing pangalan ng ating code. Public static void main, ito yung nagsisilbing main method. For int naman, yung int is integers, I equals 1, I less than equal 10, tsaka I plus. So yung if natin is I divide 2 equal 0, system.out.print I plus even, system.out.print for loop ending. So ang gagawin natin is yung I magiging 1, I divide 2, kaya 2. So plus tayo lati 2 kasla 2 plus 2 equals 4, 4 plus 2 equals 6, 6 plus 2 equals 8, 8 plus 2 equals 10. So ganun po natin nakuha yung sagot ng for loop. So punta naman na tayo sa while loop. So ang while loop is the program starts with a variable number set to 20. The while loop keeps running as long as number greater than 10. Inside the loop, it prints the value of number, then decreases it by 1 each time. Number minus minus. The loop stops once number reaches 10. And after that, it prints the message magbabago sa 2026. So, paano na natin makukuha ang sagot nito? So, ang sagot is 20 pababa hanggang 11. Kasi yung int natin is 20. Int number is 20. While yung number sa while is number greater than 10. So, mas malaki yung int natin, yung integers. Kaya, tapos yung increment natin, is minus minus. Kaya, 20 pababa yun. Kaya ito 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. So ganun po natin nakuha yung sagot. Tapos yung system.out.print natin na magbabago sa 2026 is nandun. So punta naman tayo sa dual loop. So dual loop is the program starts by declaring an integer variable and I given it a value of 50. It uses a dual loop which means the code is inside the do block, which will run at least once before any condition is checked inside the loop. The program print the current value of I using. So, system.out print I. After printing the value of I is decreased by 1 using I minus minus. So ito yung guys. Once the loop finish, one cycle the condition I greater than 20. So ito yung guys. Condition natin is I greater than 20. Is the check. If the condition is true, the loop continues. If false, the loop stops. Because of this condition, the loop will continue running as long as I is greater than 20. This causes the program to print our number from 50 down to 21. The loop ends when I reaches 20 since 20 is not greater than 20. Oh, so guys, so yung sagot is 50 to 21 pababa. Kasi yung ulitin ko guys, ito yung pangalan ng code. Public static is yung main method. Yung integers natin is I equal 50. Do system.out.print I. Kaya yung I natin nilagay dito is yun yung integers natin. So yung I minus minus yun yung increment na sinasabi nila. While yung I greater than 20 kasi yung I mas malaki kaysa sa 20, kaya kapag pababa yung bilang, nauuna yung 50 hanggang 20 yung guys. So yun yung sagot. 50, 49, 48 hanggang sa 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Yun yung guys. So halos same lang sila ng while loop. Yung while loop is ganun din. Int number is 20, while number greater than 10. System.out.print number yung linalagay natin dito kasi yung int natin is number, hindi I. Number yun. So number minus minus, ito yung increment na sinasabi nila. System.out.print magbabago sa 2026. Ito yung final code natin. So ganun nga kanina, yung mas malaki yung int natin kaysa sa 10, kaya 20 pababa yung sagot. 20, 19, 18 hanggang sa matapos maging 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 magbabago sa 2026. Pero kapag pinalitan nyo yung increment natin, natin nyo ng plus plus, tapos dapat mas pinalitan nyo to, papalitan nyo lang yung int number at saka yung while number. Ito while number magiging less than, lagay natin 50, tapos yung number mas paliliitin natin. Testing natin. So less than 50 at saka yun papalitan natin ng plus plus. Grab natin guys. So ang sagot niya is pababa. ay pataas naman. Kasi yung int natin is 20. So 20 less than 50. Less than 20. Kaya yung bilang ng sagot niya is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 hanggang sa 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Magbabago sa 2026. Ganun yun guys. Pabaliktad. Kapag pinalitan nyo rin doon. Ganun din sa do while. Kapag pinalitan nyo ito, dapat palitan nyo rin to. Dapat mas mataas, maging less than to. Dapat mas mataas yung 20 kaysa sa 50 para maging ganun. Kapag pinalitan nyo lang to ha. Pero kapag hindi nyo pinalitan, mas mababa at magiging greater than to. Mas mataas pa rin yung in kapag hindi nyo pinalitan. So, yun lang po. Thank you.